Okay, another week is upon us for SoFi stock, and you guessed it, we have to break it down in this video. Do an update on the charts, what I'm looking to do, break down some numbers right now, what the analysts are thinking. We actually just got an upgrade a couple of days ago. So guys, jam-packed video. If you find value, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Use that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below, or again, simply go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And now, cheers. I would give you a toast here, guys. I actually don't have a drink today, but cheers. Let's get into it. So SoFi on Friday ended up having a 2%, actually over a 2% green day. We closed at $15.35, and we actually pushed higher in the aftermarket to about $15.50, which is where we were earlier in the day. We hit $15.53, I think, on Friday. Yeah, that was the high of the day after hitting $14 in the pre-market. You heard that right, guys. So we went from 14 to about 15.50, which, I mean, guys, that's a big move. We're talking 11%. And then we coasted, if you will, for the rest of the day. Pretty much for 2/3 of the day on Friday, guys, we consolidated after that big move at open and in the pre-market. It started in the pre-market from 14 to about 14.80. That's where we opened, and then we ran another 17 cents from that 14.80 opening price, right? We ran 70 more cents to $15.50. So SoFi looks, pretty good on Friday. It looked pretty good on Friday. Now, the $1,000,000 question is, will we build off the gains from Friday, right? Now, let's actually pull up this 5-day, 5-minute and draw this out. We're going to have to break out of here, guys. For us to build on the gains from Friday, we're going to need to break out of this channel right here. You guys see how we've been downtrending for a couple of days. We're in this channel as of last week, the entire week. We were in this channel. So if we break out of here, guys, roughly 15.50, the high from Friday, we start pushing out of the high from Thursday morning being about 16. If those two levels break, we get out of this channel. That's where momentum could really start to build up for the bulls, which obviously it's not guaranteed. You got to do your own research, the whole 9 yards, yada, yada, yada. But for this week, and it is a weird week to say the least, guys, in terms of the stock market. We have Christmas on Wednesday. Merry Christmas, by the way, guys. Christmas Eve's on Tuesday. So we have 2 days where the markets, quite frankly, on Wednesday it's closed. And then on Tuesday it's a half day. So it's going to be a bit of a weird week. But either way, these are levels worth watching. I'm going to set one alert right now at $15.50. Let's do that right now. And I'll do another one at, let's say, $16 per share. Let me do that. Mark is at or above $16 per share. There we go. By the way, guys, hit that like button. Run the likes up on this video. Let's get at least 300 likes. Come on. I challenge you guys. 300 likes. And make sure to subscribe. So alerts are set 16 and 15.50. Let's see if we get out of this channel. If so, that could trigger the overall breakout. And here on the 30-minute chart, you guys can see 15.50, that acted as support about 2 weeks ago. So we broke under that support, making it resistance, making it even more important for that level to break, right? We can see here, if I pull up the 1 hour, you can see it even more. 15.30 to 15.50 was support all month, essentially, here for SoFi till we broke under it, obviously, a couple days ago. Now it's resistance. So I'm telling you, man, if SoFi can retake the mid-high 15s, break over $16, this thing could really start to move, right? And here on the 4-hour time frame, we are seeing buyers coming in. We're seeing it above the 180 SMA here. Looks like the uptrend is continuing on the 4-hour chart, which is pretty good here. And, if we pop, like I said, over 16, ideally, that could be where we start going, 17, 18, maybe higher again. So let me show you guys here an analyst that just increased their price target, or not an analyst, but a firm. So let me pull this up. And by the way, guys, sign up to my email list. It's free. I'm actually sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday, which that's tomorrow. I send out these stocks to over 1,900 people. That's how many people so far have signed up. And again, it's free. So check it out, linked right down below. So you guys see right here, Sofi price target raised to $13 per share from $7.50 per share at Morgan Stanley. This news came out, I think, on Friday. Either way, it's recent. So if I come up over here, zoom in a little bit, Morgan Stanley analyst Jeffrey Adelson raised the firm's price target on SoFi to 13 from 750, like I said, and they're keeping an underweight rating on the shares. The 2024 story was one of stabilization, says the analyst here, as higher delinquencies moderated to the slowest pace in nearly 3 years, and looking to 2025, support should remain in place with easing inflation, positive real wage growth, stable to lower interest rates, rational lending standards, says the firm, which sees consumer credit, quote, on solid footing in 2025, end quote. So there you have it. I mean, that's pretty much it there. A nice little increase in the price, although it is under where the price is right now. It's still a nice, almost a double up there in the stock price. I mean, that's a pretty big increase. It's not like they went from $7.50 to $9 or $8. I mean, they went from $7.50 to $13. And you guys know how quick these analysts are to adjust their price targets. If this guy at Morgan Stanley, Jeffrey Adelson, if he sees SoFi in the first quarter of next year, doing a lot better than expected, maybe their guidance is better than expected from there moving forward. Who knows? He could be like, all right, maybe we're not underweight anymore. We'll boost that up, maybe pop or bump the price target up as well. So obviously these are, they could change the targets, and he could cut the price target as well. Keep that in mind. But that's some news that we got. And overall, guys, at this point in time, analysts for the most part are saying that the stock is a hold. I mean, looking here at Yahoo Finance, the analyst recommendations as of December, we do have a couple analysts saying it's an underperform rating on the stock. As of December this month, we have, it looks like, one analyst saying it's a sell, which is up from November, October, September. No analysts were saying it's a sell those months. But now, as the stock has gone up a lot, I guess some people have it as a sell. We have 3 underperform ratings, 9 hold ratings, and 3 buy ratings. So the majority of the analysts here on Yahoo Finance are saying that SoFi is a hold right now. And the analyst price targets here, we have the average being about $11.37. You guys see that above my head. The high is 19. I'm curious what firm has a 19 target on it. Currently, it's at $15.35, obviously, with the low price target being $4 per share. Imagine it goes back to $4. But overall, guys, analysts are saying, for the most part, SoFi is a hold right now, and I tend to agree. I'm not out here loading the boat at these levels. I'll be honest. I was buying at $7, under $7. You guys know that if you've been watching my channel. But am I buying here? I'm not. I'll be honest with you, I'm not. I'm just simply holding on. So I tend to agree with the analysts here that are saying it's a hold. I tend to agree. I'm holding on tight, guys, and I'm curious to see what we do this upcoming week. And you guys know, I mean, I'm a long-term investor in the stock, but I'm also considering it for a trade. I trade it as well from time to time, which is why we also cover the charts here on the channel. And like I said, guys, $15.50, $16, these two levels need to break. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Again, I challenge you, 300 likes on this video. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get your free stocks for Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So again, guys, use that link down below. It's a no-brainer. Or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.